Could you believe that Igwe Nnewi, His Royal Highness Igwe Kenneth Orizu III, can still read clearly without glasses at the age of 100? Few days ago, Igwe Nnewi clocked 100 years old and he celebrated his 100th birthday. Since then, people have been visiting his palace, giving out gifts, and on this particular day, people visited, gave out gifts, and also submitted a written document. To the surprise of everybody, Igwe Nnewi opened the document in the midst of everybody and started reading it aloud. Everybody was wowed. Let me allow you to watch this video to hear how Igwe Nnewi still sounds very strong and sound at the age of 100, reading without glasses.
Without glasses. Without eyeglasses. Without eyeglasses.
This year's edition brought national attention to our historic town. This is our home. This noble feat is repeated. Moving on. However, we know as on the elected money, many of our people, most especially the youth, conducted themselves during the period of the festival. Some cultural boundaries were crossed. And many of us believe some abominable acts were also committed. This would not have been an issue if there was a community